Hey, it's Tony, Dynamic Listings. I'm here at Wisconsin RV World, Madison, Wisconsin. And today we've got the Sprinter Limited 3611. What a gorgeous, gorgeous fifth wheel travel trailer. So you can see on this side we have 3 slide outs, and we have a 4th one on the passenger side, curbside. So the first one, that's your kitchen area up there. So that's an extension of the kitchen. The second one here is an extension of the great room. We'll see that when we get inside. And then the third one is actually an extension of the master suite. So there's a king-size bed behind that wall. If you were laying in that bed, your head would be up against that wall. But the good news is there's a padded headboard. We'll dive inside and check it out. Let's go ahead and start right up here at the front. So the 3611 has a tremendous amount of storage. We'll start right here with the LP tanks. Check that out. So you're going to be able to mount 2 LP tanks in there, out of sight, out of mind, good to go. There's a storage compartment here, as you can see, and that storage compartment actually goes all the way through to the other side. The door on that side's a little bit larger, and if we look up top, notice we have access to some of our wiring, but we also have an all aluminum frame up under there, and there's our heat ducts as well traveling up through there. And of course we have an outside shower, so there's your shower hose. We do have our water docking station here, and your flush ability is right there. Here's one of your dumps right there. Love the graphics package on this one. These tinted windows look nice, kind of a dark brown and light brown finish. So we've got dual axles. These are 16-inch cast aluminum wheels with Trailer King RST tires. So that's going to be a good setup for dragging this one down the road. We also have Road Armor suspension, so that's going to help keep it nice and smooth. Electric brakes, of course. And then we do have power stabilizers across the back. Here's our black water tank dump. There's another storage compartment right here, and you can see there's your electrical hookup, but I don't know if you can see through here. That actually is the king-size bed, so there's a access to the under storage right here as well, so that door opens way up in there. We'll look at that when we get inside, but I thought that was a pretty great feature to have, so you can access it from inside or outside. Again, that's going to be the back side of the bed, the headboard. So you've got windows on both sides of the king-size bed to get some fresh air flow through. We do have 50 amp service right here. We also have a multimedia source controller here for satellite and cable TV. A lot of little storage cubbies on this one, including this one right here on the back side. So you can see that opens up, just a great place to throw odds and ends. Maybe your toolbox could stow underneath there. Here's your ladder. That does have a walkable roof, so if you need to get up and do any work, you can do that right there. We do have a backup camera prep package, and it is set up with a solar prep package as well. So this is going to be into your bedroom area, your master suite. There's your stabilizer bars. Down underneath, we've got a fully insulated frame underneath, so that's going to retain the heat. And this does have a 35,000 BTU furnace, so that's going to keep it nice and toasty warm. We've got a 4-step aluminum retractable steps. Don't need any tools, they fold right up in there. And then there's our awning up there. That's a power awning, and there's speakers up in the awning as well. Nice setup on there. There's also this little dog leash catcher, so if you want to let your dog out, just latch the leash there and let them go do their business. Then we've got the outside entertainment area. So we've got a cooktop. It's going to be a 2-burner LP cooktop. We've got a nice refrigerator on the outside. Let me go ahead and pop that open. It's a nice size exterior refrigerator. And then when this is all closed down, you can see there's cabinets right here, and inside here you can actually mount your television, plug it all in. Of course, this all slides back into the unit when you don't need it or when you're traveling. And then there's a place right here you can go ahead and add your TV mount on the outside, satellite and cable TV hook up here, and notice that the awning does cover all the way down that whole area. And then here's the access on the other side of that storage unit, but there is a tremendous amount of space in here to get your outside gear out of the way, your lawn chairs, what have you. And then here's your utility area, and this is where maybe you could put your grill, or any of your hoses, what have you. You've got total access underneath here to your wiring. Your battery box is a sealed battery box, and it's vented. Here's one of your power jacks. Here's your solar connection down here. Full-size spare tire. And then we do have the Road Armor fifth wheel connection there, right up front. The overall weight's going to be right below here, and the tongue weight and all of that. Love the LED lighting up front. So this is the exterior on the Sprinter Limited. Let's go ahead and head inside and check it out. Okay, this is what you see when you first come into the 3611. Really a nice, great room. Look at how tall those ceilings are. 13.5 AC unit up front, so it's got 2 AC units. I'm sorry, that one's a 15,000 BTU. There's one in the master suite that is 13.5. But this is a really striking, great room. When you walk into here, you just feel like you're at home right away. So we noticed when we were on the outside, we talked about one of the slides. So this is one of the 3 slides. So you've got a kitchen slide, your great room slide, and then the master suite's back this way. We'll go back there in just a minute. But super comfortable chairs, recliners, Thomas Paine recliners with cup holders in there. We've got a love seat over in this area right here. Storage cabinets up above. Lots of places to plug in your stuff. Remote controls for your heating and air conditioning. That's a 50-inch LED TV. We've got a full fireplace down below. That's awesome. I love those fireplaces. Little DVD storage along the side here. But check that out. So really a good view from wherever you are in this unit, wherever you're sitting. Love this. It's just an amazing unit. There's some storage down below here, little bookshelves along the edge, more power ports and plug-ins over there. 2 stairways going up to the 2nd floor. So kind of a galley style countertop. I love the faux wood look, looks awesome. And then there's 2 bar stools up there, and check out the lighting up here as well. So very cool. Definitely feels more upscale. Another skylight up there, and that has a shade on it. You've got forced air, heat, light switches. Let's go ahead and walk upstairs, take a look. Huge storage opportunity right here. I really like the wood combination in this. All of these windows slide open, so you can get some fresh air in here pretty easily. Nice little workstation over here, or food prep area, with cabinets that open. Again, drawers, nice size drawers on this one. 2 drawers. Another cabinet over here. Solid surface tops, tinted windows. That's an emergency exit. Shades on all the windows. Here's a look at the kitchen area. More storage up above the cabinets here. Darked out shades, and then these are the slow retracting shades. I love the way this comes out into the front here. Really opens it up. We've got a swan neck sprayer faucet, so it comes out just like that. Dish dryer, and then a huge single basin sink there. And then take a look at all the cabinets down below. So all the way along here, and then this one is super pet friendly. So these are your furry friends food dishes. They all slide underneath. Get them out of the way if you don't need them. I love that. Nice gray stone stove. Really nice cooktop up here on. So a 3-burner cooktop with the tempered glass cover, so you've got room for there. You've also got downdraft here, a hood, and then your Magic Chef microwave up top, and a little bit more storage on this side. Take a look at the view from the kitchen. The only thing that I don't like about the kitchen is from right here I can't see the Packer game. Maybe I can from over here. Yeah, I could see it. There's your refrigerator. Take a look at that bad boy. So stainless steel refrigerator, dual doors. Should be able to fit a ton of food in there. And then we have freezers and storage bins down below as well. So really, really, really great looking refrigerator. And then your dining area does come with 2 of these bar stools. So you can just sit down here, enjoy a meal, watch the Packer game. This is really an amazing unit. All right, let's go ahead and head back into the restroom, the bathroom. So here's your bathroom. Super high ceiling. I mean, there's no way I can even touch that, but the skylight brings in a lot of nice light. We do have our overhead ventilation, overhead heating ducts, vanity mirror. You've got your sink, stainless steel sink, storage down below, lots of outlets. Take a look at this shower. Holy smokes. You need to be 7 foot plus if you're gonna bang your head in that shower. And then more linen closets, ceiling to floor, and a foot flush stool down here. Here's your control panel. Water, electric, you can shut it all down. You can slide the slides in and out right from here. Let's head into the master suite, which is really sweet. So there's that other AC unit, the 13.5 AC unit, but take a look at the wardrobe all the way on the other side. So those doors do slide open and close. We do have, it's prepped here with your water connections for your washer and dryer. So if you want to throw a washer and dryer in there, it's all ready to go. Just need to plug them in, start washing clothes. There's your bed. There's the lighting up above, the cabinets. This is a king size bed. And then down, I mentioned outside when we were outside that there's storage under here, but there's also a door right here. Let me show you this. So this opens, let me see if I can get there. So this opens right here, and you know what's really cool about it? It actually is padded. So when you try to get stuff out from underneath, you're on pads, or if you want to say your prayers before you call it a day, that's how you do it. And then we do have the one main window, which also has an emergency exit, and then here's your dressers with all of your drawers. So there's 5 drawers here. So between that, the closet, the linen closet, you should have plenty of room for storage. And this king size bed is just awesome. Hey, if you like this unit, be sure and contact Christy over at Wisconsin RV World in Madison. She can help you with that, answer any questions you might have. If you like the video and you want more like this, go ahead and hit the thumbs up and feel free to subscribe. Love to have you a part of our channel. This is Tony, talking car biz. Thanks for watching.